Sekusikhathi sendaba zesiNdebele sikubikela zona kunqopha ukusuka emzimkhulu wendaba eAuckland Park eJohannesburg. Asiqangule ngezithujileko zanamhlanje.
The facility we hand over today will support the forensic investigative work of the South African Police Service in the province of KwaZulu-Natal.
Kuvule ngokusemthethweni laboratory ezokusiza ukuphenya ubulelesi ngendlela yesayensi kunye nokuhabisa ukuphenya kwamaqala esifundeni saKwaZulu-Natal.
At the time, I was going through a deeply painful and hostile divorce, which placed me under immense emotional strain. I found Sergeant Nkosi to be a good listener. I found myself confiding in him increasingly, seeking personal guidance and advice.
Isikhulu sezemali esijanyisiweko kumasipalata weTshwane uGareth Mnisi utshele ikomishini kaMadlanga ukuthi isikhozi sakhe noSergeant Fanny Nkosi senzeka ngesikhathi asebenzimeni bempilo ingasi ngendaba zamathenda.
Umsebenzi wabo bazobhekene nalamacala esiwabiza ngeorganized crime. Lamacala ahlangene nobugebengu lo usezingeni eliphezulu.
uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhonazi uthi inlelesi aziwoje zibaleka ngombana usenthendeni zazo njengomdosi phambili omutsha wesiqhema esizokulwa nobulelesi obuhleliwe kwelizweni lonke. Siyathokoza ukufumana usilindile nendaba zesiNdebele ku-SABC 1 akwande lapho emakhaya. Isikhulu sezemali esijanyisiweko kumasipalata weTshwane uGareth Mnisi uthi wathoma ukwazana ngobuduze noSergeant Fanny Nkosi ngengikhathi ezibudise empilweni yakhe. Kodwa uyaphika bona ubudlelwane babo buhlobana nobukirikitshana bamathenda kumasipalata weTshwane neminyangweni wezamapolisa kamasipalata weTshwane. Lokhu kuza ngemva kwemilayezo yeWhatsApp esefonini kaSergeant Nkosi eveze bona uNkosi khabe amthindanise ezenzweni ekuthindwa umnisi nesekela lesikhulu samapolisa we-EMPD esijanyisiweko uMashi Dlamini.
Going through a deeply painful and hostile divorce, which placed me under immense emotional strain. I found Sergeant Nkosi to be a good listener. I found myself confiding in him increasingly, seeking personal guidance and advice, relying on him for support with respect to the personal challenges that I was facing at the time.
Kuzwakala bona uSergeant Nkosi ngokubambisana nomnisi kunye nesikhulu samapolisa kamasipalata weKuruleni uMashi Dlamini batsho benza ubukirikitshani kuthenda yezokuvikela kobanyana bazokwenyula ikhampani abayifunako iKubis 85 Solutions kaCalvin Mahlangu nenye ingaphesheya ekuyikhampani yezokuvikela yomfowabo likaNkosi. Kuzwakala bona uNkosi nomnisi bebathumelana ama-WhatsApp ngemitlolo yamathenda. Kodwana baphikile bobabili bona bakwenza lokho namkha bona baba nesandla ekukhethweni kwethenda leyo.
Chairperson, the answer to this has been catered for on page 30, paragraph 120 for both of these paragraphs, and the answer is no.
Kungenelelwe emilayezweni yeWhatsApp labe babuzana khona ngoSipho Nkomo noJoe Mabunda ababesebenza kumasipalata weKuruleni. Umnisi uthi khabe afuna ukubabuza ngokumthathela ivikeleko lengikhulu kodwana kwathi nakuhlolisiswako kwatholakala bona basebenza kumasipalata weTshwane ababamjamele ekomitini ehlunga amathenda.
Did you know at the time that Sipho Nkomo and Joe Mabunda were the only two TMPD representatives on the BEC?
At the time, no, Chair, I can't confirm that.
Do you know now that they were the only two TMPD representatives on the BEC for TMPD 1?
I know now, Chair, that the Chief of Police and their delegates seconded these two individuals to be the specialists that the department wanted to form part of TMPD 01.
Imibuzo eminingi isajamile. Ikundlela lelako izokuraga ngomvulo.
Umnyango wezokuthuthukiswa komphakathi wethule iziko elitsha lezesayensi emapoliseni ukuthwaya impumelelo enkulu eqinisekiseni amandla wokusebenza. Ngeziko elikuhloswe ukuraga msinyana umsebenzi wokuhlola ngesayensi ukusekela amaphenyo wemapoliseni.
Lezomthetho ukuriyada kobulungiswa kukudinywa obulungiswa. Eminyakeni eminingi abongazimbi abakhahlinyweziweko bebavimbeleka ukunikelwa ubulungiswa ngonobangela wokusalela emva komsebenzi kuma-laboratory. Ngomnyaka opheleleko kubikwe ukuthi iSouth Africa kade isalele emva ngamacala abalelwa pheze ekhulwini nama-40. KwaZulu-Natal imbalobalo zamva nje zitshengisa ukuthi amaziko wabo wezesayensi asalele emuva pheze ngokuhlola amacala azinkulungwana ezima-27. Kunethemba lokuthi iziko elijeli lizokuchugulula izinto emacaleni akhona njenganje.
The facility we hand over today will support the forensic investigative work of the South African Police Service in the province of KwaZulu-Natal. It brings together specialized forensic services into a single, secure, fit for purpose environment, strengthening the state's ability to process evidence.
Ukomishinara wamapholisa esifundenesi uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi uthi nanyana izikweli lizokuqalana neentshijilo zamaphenyo wobelelesi kodwana lithoga insetshenziswa nabasebenzi abangezelelweko.
I know that there's still a lot of work that needs to be done by the South African Police Service in making sure that we equip these facilities with necessary machinery that is going to help us to deliver the service.
Umakhiwo lo unikelwe bemapholiseni njengesisombululo sesikhathi esifitshane nakusaragwa nokwakhiwa iziko elisezingeni eliphezulu ephasini.
Ukomishinara wamapholisa waKwaZulu-Natal uLieutenant Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi unikelwe umsebenzi omutsha wokudosa phambili isiqhema esitsha sokulwa nobulelesi obuhleliweyo kwelizweni. Lokhu kuvele emnyanyeni wokuvula kwendawo yehlolofuzo yesayensi yamapholisa ilaboratory eThekwini. Umkhwanazi uqinisekise bona isiqhema senilelesi obuhleliweyo kwesibizwa ngeBig 5 esiphenya ikomishini kaMadlanga sizokuphenya ngaphasi kwesiqhema esijesi.
Umkhwanazi uthi umsebenzi wakhe omutsha wesiqhema esitsha ubulelesi obuhleliweko angeke uthikameze umsebenzi wakhe wokuphatha amapholisa kwaZulu-Natal.
National Commission unikeze umsebenzi wokuthi njengoba ngiphethe iprovince la ngikwazi ukubhekelela ukusebenza kwalamaqembu lawa esowenza abekhona i-country yonke azobe sebenza endaweni ezihlukene ema-province. Umsebenzi wabo bazobhekene nalamacala esiwabiza nge-organized crime. Lamacala ahlangene nobugebengu lo usezingeni eliphezulu, abantu abahlanganisa khona izinto abangaveli akufani nomuntu ovele asuka kushaya ngempama. Sikhuluma ngomuntu ozothi kufanele ngitshontshe impahla yakho njengenkomo. Umuntu mayithi uzontshontsha inkomo yakho akayintshontshe ngoba efuna ukuyifuya. Kufanele abe nomuntu ofuna ukuyithenga kuqala. Noma kunebhusha ndawo nathile elivuliwe elidayisa inyama kodwa abanaso istock, abazi ukuthi bazothatha phi inyama. Bese beza kuwena ukuthi sifuna inhlobo ethile zenyama esoziletha la ebhusha, sicela usitholele zona. Usuyahamba ke wena uthuma abafana ukuthi abayontshontsha inkomo, bathatha inkomo niyihlinze endaweni nathile, nithatha inyama nilethe ebhusha, seyadayiswa ke ebhusha. Lobo bugebengu esobe silusana nabo. So nginekele umsebenzi ukuthi angeke ngibhekele amaphoyisa azobe sebenza lo msebenzi. Ingakho ke sizohlanganisa lamaqembu amaphoyisa ama-unit ahlukene ukuthi asebenze abheke into enjeka nalezo. Buningi ubugebengu obuhlukene esobe sibhekene nabo okungaphezulu kwalokho kwenziwe eStation.
Umkhwanazi uthi ukucaphela kwenilelesi emapholiseni kuthinta kakhulu umsebenzi wamapholisa kanti ihleleli lizokuqala zonke imfunda zelizwe.
Ake siqale umbono wakho mbukeli ngokukhetha kwaka-Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi osele ayokuphatha isiqhema esitsha sokulwa nobulelesi elizweni lonke. Nakho umbono wakho uyalandela mbukeli.
Ndoza kakhulu ukuthi bakomkhwanazi nguyeke ozokulwisana nobulelesi obu.
Naku Big 5 yona ayivuma amaqiniso ngoba phela manje uyosetshenzwa manje umsebenzi wakhe lo baba uyawazi.
Ubonisa futhi ewuthanda umsebenzi wakhe ewukhathalele.
Abaphazamanga ngokuthi bamnikeze isihlalo nethemba uzakulwa icrime.
Ngasikeke bangathi abakufutshane naye basebenzisana naye ngendlela ephucukileyo.
Siyathemba nje ubugebengu buzoncipha yona le Big 5 yogcina ibanjwa.
Rena le tshepe ya gore jwale ge ba Mail National usinyi ka Afrika Borwa bo ya go tomolwa ka medu.
Kube akusinguye ngabe angazi sesikuphi.
Lo muntu simphiwe nguZimu bande bekozi. Angiwangabazi amandla kaMkhwanazi sebanga kakhulu isinqumo esihle lesi.
Yabona manje abantu bayakwazi ukuthi namanje bebone ukuthi iNingizimu Afrika iyabuya kancane kancane.
Kuhle lokho kakhulu siyakujabulela.
Kanumbona ngeyombukeli SABC ayizukuthweswa umlando wokuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli. Usihlalo wekomishini kaNkabinde ephenya ngokulungela ukuphatha isikhundla kwamajaji ijaji uBess Nkabinde usiragile isibawo somnqophisi walokho wezokuchuchiswa komphakathi uShamila Batohi sokukhuluma namagqwetha akhe ngesikhathi kuraga ikambiso yokwethula ubufakazi. Kwathi nakusaraga ikambiso yokuchuka kwakhe ngembuzo ngo2025 uBatohi waziphumela watsho waligandelela ukuthi batsho uza kubuya lokhuyana sele aphiwe imvumo yokuthi afune isizo lezomthetho nakathula ubufakazi.
uBatohi uthi ukudinywa kwakhe ithuba lokukhuluma namagqwetha akhe kwakuzoba nomphumelo omumbi. Uthi lokho bekunyaza ilungelo lakhe lokujanyelwa amagqwetha kumphungule namandla okwethula ubufakazi obuliqiniso begodwa kube nekhonakalo lokwehlisa isithunzi somsebenzi wakhe. uBatohi ukhulume nangecala elalethwa iMK Party ekhothe ephakemeko lapho ubufakazi bakhe phambi kwekomishini le basetshenziswa ukulinga ukukhandela ukubhadelwa kwemali yakhe yepenshini. Kodwa ikomishini kaNkabinde iphayile konke lokhu.
It is further contended that the professional rule is not intended to deprive a witness of access to legal advice, open quote, where issues arise during testimony that implicates, close quote, a witness. For example, matters such as constitutional rights, privilege, procedural fairness, or potential self-incrimination, and where complex legal issues emerge unexpectedly during cross-examination.
Ikomishini lethu uBatohi akanalungelo lokufuna izeluleko zomthetho nakasatshukwa ngemibuzo.
Indodana kaMengameli walokho weZimbabwe uRobert Mugabe engoBalamine Mugabe ilivumile icala lokuba seSouth Africa ngokungasemthethweni nelokukhomba umuntu ngesigidi. Kodwa na icala lokukhomba umuntu ngesigidi lihlotshaniswa nesehlakalo esinye esenzeka ngaphambi kokwenzeka kwesehlakalo sokudumuza esenzeke emzini wakhe eHyde Park. Umsolwa asolwa naye uTobias Madodze uvume icala lokulinga ukubulala, ukukhandela ukusebenza komthetho, ukuphula umthetho wokungena eSouth Africa kunye nokutholwa nenkule.
Did you understand the charge against you? What do you plead with? Guilty.
uBalamine Mugabe uvuma icala lokuba seSouth Africa ngongomthetho kwaphela. Icala lokukhomba umuntu ngesigidi ulivumile nalokodwana kuthiwa batsho lenzeke emvikeni emibili ngaphambi kokwenzeka kwesehlakalo sokudunyuzwa kwakagadakhe uSipho Mahlangu esenzeke emzini wakhe eHyde Park.
Guilty.
Nakusesenjalo ukuvuma icala kukaTobias Madononze osolwa noMugabe kutsho ukuthi uyavuma ukuthi nguye wadumuza uSipho Mahlangu kabili ngemuva ngomhlolanja umnyaka lo. Amagqwetha abasolwa atshela ikhotho ukuthi ulilisiwe ungazimbi bebaba ukuthi abasolwa badosa isigwebo sabo ngaphandle kwejele kanti batsho uMugabe angazibhadelela indleko zokubuyela kwabo eZimbabwe.
The appropriate sentence here would be a suspended sentence which would then hang over their heads as a warning so that they don't do this again.
Kodwa nanginjalo umbuso utshiwo ngembuzo ipholisa eliphenyako elitshela ikhotho ukuthi bobabili abasolwa abakatshengisa ukuzisola njengoba nabangakatsho bekube nje ukuthi siphi isigidi sasetshenziswa kongalelo langa.
The accused shows no remorse in assisting the police in any way to point out the firearm.
Uzwa ngokuthi uMugabe uvuma amacala amancane amagqwetha akhe ayiphayilizwa ngoba tsho ukuthi uMadononze uthwale wonke amacala.
I think that's a very ludicrous statement to make. Ultimately, the parties are at liberty to plead to the charges that are put to them.
Icala lithuliselwe ngomhla ka24 kusihlabandangana ukwenzela ukuthi umbuso uqinisekise ukuthi imbala ungazimbulilisiwe nokunikela umsolwa elinye ithuba lokuthi ayokukhomba isigidi.
Nasibuya entolo. INUM, iSACP neKhosathu zimatshele ema-ofisini we-Eskom eMalahleni ngokuhlukaniswa kwe-Eskom. Sisaraga nendaba lapha mbukeli nazi kuphundileko indabezi uyazithola ku-YouTube, SABC+, TikTok, X naku Facebook. Asirage nazo. Amalunga we-Union National Union of Mine Workers ngokusekelwa ihlangano yamakhomanisi nehlanganisela yama-union iCOSATU bamatshela ema-ofisini we-Eskom emalahleni eMpumalanga bamatshela ukuhlukanisa kwe-Eskom. I-NUM isola uhulumende ngokusebenzisa imiraro yezebhoduluko nezenjiwa ukuzuza.
Amalunga we-NUM angenile umtshagalo afuna kujamiswa khona nje ukuhlukaniswa kwe-Eskom, ukudiliza kwesikhatshana kwabasebenzi, ukujugulula kokuphehla kwegezi begodu kubanjwe imikhulumiswano ezokuletha insombululo. Basola uhulumende ngokusebenzisa indaba yokuphehla igezi ngamandla abuyekeziweko njengendlela yokuthengisa ikhampani le.
We are saying we cannot afford to have a developing country that its own natural resources like coal, they are treated the way we see. Remember, the value chain of coal mines, the primary client is the coal-fired power stations, which is where 95% of electricity is generated in the country. But now we are made to believe that this must be decommissioned in the name of renewables.
Inhlangano ezibakhozi ziyakusekela ukubangwa ko.
The approach and the trend towards unbundling, it's meant to affect jobs.
Eskom is a state entity. Why can it be developed to the capacity that itself can enter in terms of energy supply and generation and transmission, rather than wanting to unbundle in order to serve the interest of capital?
Abanikazi bamatraka bathusele ngokuthikameza umnotho nangekungaraga ukuhlukaniswa kwe-Eskom.
It means now we are going to have a serious job losses. We know there are a lot of job losses in Eskom. We know that there are a lot of job losses in mining. So it is also affecting us as the people who are supplying Eskom with the coal.
I-NUM ithumela umlayezo oqinileko ebasebenzini bakahulumende.
Individuals cannot be elevated to the level of being an organization. Tina, with our organizations and loyalty, we remain.
Uhulumende wesifunda seMpumalanga ne-Eskom bamukela incwadi yenililo begodu banikela amalanga alikhomba bona baphendule.
Imakethe zemali e-Asia sezingena evekeni yesibili zizinzile kanti nenengo ye-oli yehlele ngaphasi kwe-$100 ifaji. Lokhu kwenzeke ngaphambi komhlangano olindeleke ngempela veke oqhakatheke kakhulu omalungana nesisombululo epini ephakathi kwe-Amerika, i-Israel ne-Iran.
Iyaraga indlela enkulumiswaneni zokuletha ukuthula kwesiphelane. La mazizo kamengameli we-Amerika uDonald Trump ngemva kwesimemezelo sokuthula se-Lebanon ne-Israeli.
Having a ceasefire, and that'll include Hezbollah, and I think it could be number 10 for me.
Nsela inchabe ezibumbeneko bamukela wonke amagadanga angajamisa ipile.
We welcome steps that would end hostilities and suffering on both sides of the blue line. The United Nations, through our political and peacekeeping missions, remains ready to support these efforts.
Uthe sinye nesinye sivumelwano sokuthula kufanele sibandakanye ukuphatlalatshwa kwe-Hezbollah begoda amajoni akwa-Israyeli kufanele ahlale esewula ye-Lebanon.
He says, in order to achieve the ceasefire, Hezbollah insisted on two conditions. The first, Israel must withdraw from all Lebanese territory up to the international border.
I-Hezbollah ithi inkulumiswano zokuletha ukuthula akufanele izinikele i-Israyeli ilungelo lokuvumela amajoni ayo angene ngaphakathi komkhawulo we-Lebanon. Isiqhemisi sitsho sakandelela ukuthi amajoni akwa-Israyeli nakasola sehlabathini nabo anikele i-Lebanon nabantu bayo ilungelo lokuzilwela. Ngemva kwesimemezelo esi ezinye izakhamuzi ze-Lebanon zizokalisa ithemba, ezinye zinokuzaza.
He says, I don't think the ceasefire will succeed because it's impossible for Hezbollah to surrender its weapons. Hezbollah doesn't trust that.
Uthi abaholi be-Lebanon bangahlangana emzimkhulu we-Amerika e-White House ngeveke ezako namkha kembili ezizako.
I-Union yabotitjhere isathu isihlabile isenzo esibize ngokusahlela nokulinyazwa kwabotitjhere ekuruleni. Lokhu kuza ngemva kokudunyuzwa kwakatitjhere abulawe Davidton nokulinga ukubulala uprincipal eFort Loras.
Nengi kangaka inlilo zevikeleko, inkolo ezinengi zelizweli zisengozini yokusahlelwa kusahlelwe nabotitjhere. Emzameni yokuqeda lokhu okulandela isehlakalo samva nje, uMasipalata weKuruleni uqinisa imizamo yokuvikela abotitjhere.
The councillor and the ward committee, they will visit the family, including us as the leadership, either the executive mayor, the speaker, or myself. We visit the families, then we get the information, then we assist where we have to assist.
There is a disjuncture between the schools and communities, and we cannot allow for that to happen, because schools are there to build communities, to build a brighter future for the learners in the community.
Kwakhathesi akunamuntu oselabotshiwe ngemva kokubulawa kwabotitshera ababili ngelesibili. Iphenyo lamapholisa liyaraga.
Siyaloshisa ekhaya ngelesihlanu sikucalele ukuthi bunjani ubujamo bezulu. Sekhela wathela ke ngapha ngeGauteng nge60% nangale ke esifundeni sangeMpumalanga ehlangothini elingale ngeJingalanga iMahikeng kanti ke nangapha ngeNorthern Cape neFreystata sekhe balithola nabo ke nge60% ngale egwini elinge Cape Town silibona lapha ke nge80% ukuthi na ungenela esifundeni ulithole lapha ke ngamazinga athi 60%. Kanti ke sibona lapha kusasa Cape Town isesenalo nge60% nangapha ngeGauteng nakezinye indawo zangalengela Limpopo ngapha ubona li 30%. Sithole lapha ke isilemukiso semjijo Dumakumbi lapha ubona khona ke umbala osarulana. Kanti ke nakusasa sibona lapha elwandle libukhali ukusuka ngapha ngeCape Town ukuchinga ngale endaweni zangeGqeberha. Sicalela ukuthi anjani amazinga okuchisa sithome esifundeni sangapha ngeGauteng sibona lapha sipholile phezulu isifunda sonke iPitori nge21, iBroncosspruit nge22, iJohannesburg nge20, lapha esifundeni sangeLimpopo sifuthumele ngemva kwamadina Phalaborwa yona ke iyachisa nge30 degrees Celsius. Isifundeni sangeMpumalanga chisa isikhukhuza endawo eziningi zipholile lapha kubomalahleni ngaleke ngeGarlina nangeMbombela kufuthumele kuya ngokuchisa. Kusasa kwaZulu Natal Richards Bay ichisa nge32, iDurban ifuthumele nge26 nakezinye indawo kufuthumele. Kusasa eEastern Cape sibona isifunda lapha iWillow kumakhazana pheze imini yonke nalapha eMaltswayi kezinye indawo ke sibona kupholile nangemva kwamadina. Siya lapha ke Western Cape pheze isifunda sonke ke ngasimakhazana kukulapha eOudtshoorn neGeorge nangapha ngeBeaufort West la kufuthumele khona iNorthern Cape leya esibona ukuthi pheze indawo zonke nakhona kumakhazana lapha eKimberley neKurumane buyangane nokuyaphola khona ke nge22. iFreystata ebonakala ke endaweni zangale ngeBloemfontein kupholile ngale ngeForest Smith nangeGaribden khona ke kumakhazana pheze imini yonke. Kokugcina sicala lapha ke iNorth West esibona nayo ke ifuthumele lapha eRustenburg ukuthi kezinye indawo kuphole kuye ngokufuthumala. Iweekend ayibe mnandi. Dido.